Welcome in Aswani classes. Here I am Aswani Kumar Mahato before you with a new chapter Trigonometry for Standard 11. This word trigonometry is taken from Greek language. Here two words are involved, trigono and metron. Trigono means three angles and metron means to measure. So from its name it is clear. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics where we measure three angles, and three angles lie in a triangle. So we measure three angles as well as three sides of a triangle, and we also study about the relationship between angles and sides of a triangle. So here, since we are going to study about the measurement of angle and sides of a triangle, so we must know first what is angle. OA and OB are two rays. Rays means ray is a line which extended one side indefinitely, other side is closed. So here OA and OB are two rays with same end point O, दोनों का end point same है. Then this is called the portion between these two rays, and this portion is called an angle. So angle is a portion between two rays having same end point. This point O is called vertex of the angle, and OA and OB are called its arms. Angle is generally denoted by a symbol thus, which is called theta. So this definition we have read in junior classes. Here we want to extend this definition, means we want to give its definition in another way. Let us see what. Suppose once again OA is a ray, and if this ray is rotates about its end point O, rotate means this is ray in this way, or it may rotate in this way. This direction is called anti-clockwise direction. This direction is called clockwise direction. If this ray OA rotates about its end point and come to a new position OB, जैसे यहाँ से rotate करके OA से OB पर आ गया, then this is called amount of rotation. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Amount of rotation. Your amount of rotation may be this side also. If this ray rotate this side in this way, this is also amount of rotation. This amount of rotation will be taken as angle. Here the amount of rotation taken by anti-clockwise direction. Here ray rotates in anti-clockwise direction. So this angle will be taken as positive. And when the ray rotates in clockwise direction, ऐसा जब clockwise rotate करेगा, तो angle को हम लोग लेंगे negative. So here your angle may be positive, may be negative. If the angle is formed by anti-clockwise rotation, then it is positive. If the angle is formed by clockwise rotation, इधर से clockwise होता है, then the angle will be taken as negative. Secondly, here we go for angle beyond 360 degree. In school we have seen angle means it is 0 degree to 360 degree. Here let us see how can we go beyond 360 degree. Once again OA is a ray, and if this ray rotates about its end point O and complete one rotation, this will be 360 degree. Okay. But after 360 degree means after completing one rotation, your ray may rotate further. फिर से और rotate कर सकता है in this way, and it may complete two rotation. Then angle will become 720 degree. Then after this rotation may continue, is not it? In this way, as your revolving ray will go on rotating, angle will go on forming. जैसे जैसे ये रोटेट करता जाएगा एंगल फॉर्म करता जाएगा. तो 360, 720 may be of any measure. So in this way your angle may be any measure. Here in standard 11 we study about the trigonometrical ratios of any angle, not only up to 360 degree, 500 degree, 1000 degree, whatever may be. So this was what is angle. Now since we have understand the angle, then after we must know how to measure an angle. This is the main thing what we have to read here. Means we have to read measurement of angle. मतलब एंगल को कैसे मेजर करेंगे. Our main topics is measurement. Measurement of angle. Measurement of angle. There are two methods, or you can say two system of measuring of an angle. एंगल को नापने का दो मेन सिस्टम है. एक को बोला जाता है डिग्री सिस्टम एंड सेकंड इज कॉल्ड रेडियन सिस्टम. रेडियन सिस्टम. ठीक है, ये दो सिस्टम है एंगल को मेजर करने का. सो वन बाय वन वी स्टडी अबाउट डिग्री सिस्टम एंड देन रेडियन सिस्टम. We first see what is degree system, what is the angle, what is the unit of measuring of an angle. इसमें angle को कैसे नापते हैं. Then we study about radian system. Then we see what are the unit of measuring of an angle in this system. And then after we study about the relationship between these two systems. By knowing the relationship between these two systems, one system can be converted into other. So let us see one by one about this system. This degree system is also called British system, and this radian system is also called circular system. So let us see one by one in detail now. First we start with degree system. Okay. First, degree system. Okay. In this degree system, one complete rotation of a revolving ray. One complete rotation means this is a ray. If it rotates and complete one rotation, it means one complete rotation का मतलब ये means complete circle. Okay. This is called one complete rotation of a revolving ray. One complete rotation of a revolving ray is divided into 4 equal parts by 2 perpendicular lines. And each part, ये जो 4 पार्ट बना, each part is called a quadrant. इसको एक एक quadrant बोलते हैं. This is called first quadrant. This is called second quadrant. This is called third quadrant, and this is called fourth quadrant. In this way, one complete rotation of a ray is divided into 4 equal parts, and each part is called a quadrant in this system. Then after one quadrant, ये जो एक quadrant है, इसको फिर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 करके इसको 90 इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करते हैं. वन क्वाड्रेंट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स? 90 इक्वल पार्ट्स. एंड ईच पार्ट, इसका जो एक एक पार्ट होगा, ईच पार्ट इज कॉल्ड ए डिग्री. उसको एक एक डिग्री बोलते हैं. एक डिग्री ऐसे लिखते हैं. सो व्हाट इज 1 डिग्री? इफ यू डिवाइड ए क्वाड्रेंट इनटू 90 इक्वल पार्ट, ईच पार्ट or one part is called 1 degree. So degree is the first unit of measuring of an angle in this system, degree system, which is 90th part of a quadrant. So in this system, one quadrant is written as 1 cube. How many degrees will be? 90 इक्वल पार्ट में बांटे, एक एक पार्ट को एक एक डिग्री, तो एक क्वाड्रेंट में 90 डिग्री होते हैं. अब एक डिग्री जो हुआ, जैसे ये एक डिग्री है, एक डिग्री एंगल है, एक डिग्री एंगल को फिर 1 2 3 4 करके 60 इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करते हैं, और इसका जो एक एक पार्ट होगा, मीन्स ईच पार्ट इज कॉल्ड ए मिनट. और मिनट को ये 1 मिनट, मिनट को ऐसे ऐसे फीट को लिखते हैं, उसी तरह से इज कॉल्ड 1 मिनट. सो मिनट इज द सेकेंड यूनिट ऑफ मेजरिंग of an angle in this system. What is minute? Minute is the angle which is 60th part of a degree. एक डिग्री को 60 इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करने से उसका जो एक पार्ट होगा, that is called 1 minute. So एक डिग्री अगर लेते हैं तो उसमें 60 मिनट्स होंगे, क्योंकि एक डिग्री को 60 पार्ट में डिवाइड करते हैं, हर एक पार्ट को मिनट बोलते हैं. Again 1 minute, suppose this is 1 minute, 1 minute angle. 1 minute angle is further divided into 60 equal part. How many parts? 60. And each part is called a second. And second is written like this, 1 second. दो लाइन देते हैं. Here minute and seconds are not time. It is also an unit of measuring of an angle. So third unit of measuring of an angle in this system is second. What is second? It is 60th part of a minute. एक मिनट को 60 पार्ट में बांटेंगे और हर एक पार्ट को बोलेंगे सेकेंड. सो इन मिनट देयर विल बी 60 सेकेंड. सो इन दिस सिस्टम, डिग्री सिस्टम, there are 3 units of measuring of an angle: degree, minute and second. Degree is 90th part of a quadrant, minute is 60th part of a degree, and second is 60th part of a minute. So in this way there are 3 units of measuring of an angle in this system, degree system. Now let us see the second system, that is our radian system, and we see what is radian system and what are the unit of measuring of an angle in radian system. Second, we see second system, that is radian system. Radian. Okay. So let us see now radian system. In this system, means in radian system, in this system the unit of measuring an angle is in this system the unit of measuring of an angle is radian. इसमें जो एंगल को नापने का यूनिट है उसका नाम ही है रेडियन. सो वी स्टडी व्हाट इज कॉल्ड रेडियन. जैसे फर्स्ट सिस्टम में हम लोग देखे ना कि एंगल को नापने का यूनिट है डिग्री, तो हम लोग देखे कि डिग्री क्या है. एक क्वाड्रेंट का जो 90th पार्ट होगा उसको 90 पार्ट में डिवाइड करने से जो एक पार्ट होगा उसको हम लोग डिग्री बोलते हैं. तो उसी तरह से हम लोग देखेंगे कि रेडियन, कितना बड़ा एंगल को हम लोग रेडियन बोलते हैं, कौन सा एंगल को एक रेडियन बोलेंगे. सी, लेट अस टेक ए सर्कल. सर्कल वी कैन टेक ऑफ एनी मेजर, कोई भी साइज का सर्कल ले सकते हैं, विथ सेंटर O and its radius is suppose R. O is the center and R be the radius of a circle. Now we take an arc of the circle. Arc समझते हैं, ये arc हुआ. This is suppose A, this is B. Then this is called an arc AB, whose length should be equal to the radius of the circle. हम लोग सर्कल का एक आर्क लेंगे जिसका लंबाई सर्कल के रेडियस के बराबर होगा. नाउ दिस आर्क सबटेंड दिस एंगल एट द सेंटर. ये आर्क जो है सेंटर पर ये एंगल बना रहा है. दिस इज कॉल्ड एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय दिस आर्क ए बी एट द सेंटर, एंड दिस एंगल is called 1 radian angle and it is written as 1 r. What is 1 radian? The angle subtended by an arc of a circle at the center whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. एक सर्कल लेंगे, सर्कल के रेडियस के बराबर अगर एक आर्क लेते हैं, वो आर्क सर्कल के सेंटर पर जितना एंगल बनाएगा उसको हम लोग एक रेडियन एंगल बोलते हैं. जैसे कोई भी सर्कल ले, छोटा बड़ा, ये सर्कल लिए, इसका जितना बड़ा रेडियस है, सपोज इसका रेडियस है आर, हम लोग एक आर्क ले लिए आर लेंथ का. ये आर लेंथ सर्कल के सेंटर पर जो एंगल बनाएगा ये होगा 1 रेडियन एंगल. सर्कल बड़ा लेंगे तो 1 रेडियन का एंगल चेंज नहीं होगा, वो इस तरह से बढ़ेगा. जैसा सर्कल बढ़ा तो उसका रेडियस बढ़ेगा, तो अकॉर्डिंगली आर्क भी बढ़ेगा, है ना. सो वट एवर द साइज ऑफ द एंगल मे बी, 1 रेडियन एंगल इज ए कॉन्स्टेंट एंगल. ये एंगल कोई बढ़ता घटता नहीं है. 1 रेडियन का वैल्यू जो है हमेशा कांस्टेंट होता है. जैसे 1 डिग्री कांस्टेंट होता है, वैसे 1 रेडियन कांस्टेंट होता है. चाहे आप क्वाड्रेंट जितना छोटा ले लीजिए, 1 डिग्री उतना ही होगा. इसको 90 पार्ट में बांटेंगे, हर एक पार्ट 1-1 डिग्री होगा. आप क्वाड्रेंट बड़ा ले लेंगे तो क्या 1 डिग्री का वैल्यू बढ़ जाएगा? नहीं, 1 डिग्री का मेजरमेंट उतना ही रहेगा. तो उसी तरह से 1 रेडियन भी हमेशा कांस्टेंट होता है. लेकिन इसको हम लोग ज्योमेट्रिकली प्रूफ भी करेंगे कि हाउ 1 रेडियन इज ए कांस्टेंट एंगल. क्वेश्चन कम्स इन एग्जाम, व्हाट इज रेडियन, एंड सो दैट रेडियन इज ए कांस्टेंट एंगल. एंड देन आफ्टर वी ऑल्सो सी द रिलेशन बिटवीन रेडियन एंड डिग्री. पहला सिस्टम में एंगल को नापने का यूनिट है डिग्री, ये सिस्टम में एंगल को नापने का यूनिट है रेडियन. तो डिग्री और रेडियन के बीच में क्या रिलेशन है, दैट ऑल्सो वी विल स्टडी, सो दैट डिग्री कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू रेडियन एंड रेडियन कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू डिग्री. सो लेट अस सी द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन डिग्री एंड रेडियन, as well as you will see now how radian or 1 radian is a constant angle. So I hope you have understand what is radian, how much angle is called radian. Now let us see how radian is a constant angle. Once again, let us take a circle. Is a circle of center O and radius R. Okay, let it be A. OA is its radius. Now let us take an arc AB whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. सर्कल के रेडियस के बराबर आर्क ले लिए AB. Then angle subtend by this arc at the center. ये आर्क सेंटर पर जो एंगल बनाएगा, this angle will be your 1 radian angle. 1 radian angle को 1 r लिखते हैं. So this is 1 radian angle. AOB is 1 radian. Okay, it is clear. Now this AO, extend AO back side to meet the circle at C. AO को पीछे बढ़ा दिए जो सर्कल से C पॉइंट पर मीट करता है. अब ये सिंपल ज्योमेट्री है कि आर्क AB, आप देखिए आर्क AB मतलब ये आर्क बाय आर्क ABC. आर्क ABC मतलब ये वाला आर्क will be equal to the angle subtended by this arc. दो आर्क का रेशियो, वो जो एंगल बनाते हैं ना, उसके रेशियो के बराबर होता है। आर्क ए बी सबटेंड एंगल 1 रेडियन, उसी को तो 1 रेडियन एंगल बोलते हैं। और आर्क ए बी सी कितना एंगल बना रहा है? ये वाला एंगल आर्क ए बी सी का है, दिस इज क्लियरली 180 डिग्री। So ratio of the arc is always equal to ratio of their corresponding angle. It is simple geometry, school geometry. Now what is arc AB? Radius of the circle. What is arc ABC? R is the radius of the circle. So complete circumference 2 pi r होगा पूरा circumference. ये half circumference है. ABC is half circumference. So it's half. Its half means it is pi r equal to 1 radian by 180 degree. So here r can be cancelled and you will get 180 degree equal to pi radian. A pi radian equal to 180 degree is the relation between degree and radian. यही है डिग्री और रिलेशन के बीच में relation. By using this relation, degree can be converted into radian and radian can be converted into degree. And from here, can you write 1 radian equal to 180 by pi? Can you write? देखिए pi radian equal to 180 degree, 1 radian equal to 180 by pi. 180 is a constant value. Pi is also a constant value. So 180 by pi will gives you a constant. Whatever the size of the circle may be, कोई भी आप सर्कल ले लीजिए, 1 रेडियन का वैल्यू आएगा 180 by pi, which is a constant value. And hence we can say 1 radian is a constant angle. This is the geometrical proof that yes, 1 radian angle will be constant whatever may be the size of the circle. सर्कल का रेडियस r था ना, तो r तो यहाँ है नहीं, तो r चाहे जितना बड़ा हो जितना छोटा हो, 1 रेडियन का वैल्यू तो फिक्स्ड क्वांटिटी है 180 by pi. It does not depends upon r, radius of the circle, and hence 1 radian is a constant angle. And also we have got the relation 180 degree equal to pi radian. So 1 degree equal to 1 डिग्री इक्वल टू हम लोग लिख सकते हैं पाई बाई 180 रेडियन. बाय यूजिंग दिस degrees can be converted into radian. There are some special angles whose radian measure we have to know. कुछ खास एंगल है जैसे 30 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री, 90 डिग्री. These are called standard angles. So we convert these standard angles into radian. Here not only up to 90, 120, 135, 150, 180, 270, 360. These are also considered as standard angle. So we convert these standard angles into radian measure. Let us see here. See, we have got 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian. So what will be 30 degree? 1 डिग्री होता है पाई बाई 180 रेडियन, तो 30 डिग्री होगा ऐसा ना, पाई बाई 180 इंटू 30. So this will gives you pi by 6 radian. So 30 degree is pi by 6 radian. If anywhere written pi by 6, then you must know it is 30 degree. रेडियन में लिखा हुआ है, ये 30 डिग्री है. 45 डिग्री एज पाई बाई 180 इंटू 45 हो जाएगा. सो दिस विल गिव्स यू पाई बाई 4 रेडियन. इज नॉट इट? सो इफ एनीवेयर रिटन पाई बाई 4, then you must remember it is 45 degree. 60 degree pi by 180 into 60. So this will gives you pi by 3 radian. So pi by 3 means 60 degree. Okay. So you must remember pi by 6 30 degree, pi by 4 45 degree, pi by 3 60 degree. Similarly 90 degree will be your pi by 2 radian, you can convert easily. There are some more special angle, ये सब को भी special angle लेंगे, and we are going to study the trigonometrical ratios of this angle also in standard 11. 120 degree, your 60 degree is pi by 3, so 120 degree will come to pi by 3. आप convert कर लीजिए, उसका double होगा. 135 degree, it will gives you 3 pi by 4. 150 degree will gives you 5 pi by 6. Pi by 6 is 30 degree, so 5 pi by 6 will be your 150 degree. 180 degree, it is already pi, and you have to remember 270 degree, it is 3 pi by 2. 90 degree pi by 2 है ना, so 3 pi by 2, and 360 degree is your 2 pi. So these are also standard angle and their radian measure. So if anywhere written 2 pi by 3, you must understand it is 120 degree. If anywhere written 3 pi by 4, it is 135 degree. If anywhere written 5 pi by 6, it is 150 degree. If anywhere written 3 pi by 2, means it is 270 degree. If anywhere written 2 pi, then it is 360 degree. In class 11 generally you will find this radian measures, means angle will be written in radian measure. So you should know if it is written in term of pi, means these are angles in radian measures. So in this part we have seen angle, measurement of angles. There are two system of measuring of an angle, degree system and radian system. In degree system there are 3 units of measuring of an angle, degree, minute and second. Degree is 90th part of a quadrant, minute is 60th part of a degree, and second is 60th part of a minute. And second system is radian system, and in radian system the unit of measuring of an angle is radian. Radian is the angle subtended by an arc of a circle at its center, whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. That is 1 radian angle. 1 radian angle is the angle subtended by an arc of a circle at its center, whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. And we have seen 1 radian is a constant angle. Value of 1 radian is coming, 1 radian is 180 by pi. So whatever the size of the circle, 1 radian will come 180 by pi, which is a constant value, and hence we can say 1 radian is a constant angle. And by this relation, degree can be converted into radian, radian can be converted into degree. So 1 degree can be written as pi by 180 radian. These are some standard angles which have been converted into radian. So you must remember the radian measure of these angles. So in this part this much. In the next part we go on reading one by one all the topics of standard 11. So go on watching trigonometry. Thank you for watching.